Does the word debit make your brain freeze? Don't worry. By the end of this video, debits and credits will finally make sense. No confusing jargon. Just simple, clear explanations. Here's why so many beginners get stuck. In everyday life, debit feels like it means money leaving your account. And credit feels like money coming in. But in accounting, that's not always true. Debits and credits don't mean good or bad. They simply show where money moves. Let's keep this really simple. Every transaction in your business affects at least two accounts. That's the golden rule. One account gets a debit. The other account gets a credit. Think of it like a seesaw. If one side goes up, the other side must go down. This keeps everything balanced. Now, here's a helpful pattern. Assets and expenses usually increase with debits. Assets are things you own, like cash or equipment. Expenses are costs, like rent or supplies. On the other hand, liabilities, equity, and revenue usually increase with credits. Liabilities are what you owe. Equity is your ownership stake. Revenue is money you earn. Let's make this real. Imagine you spend $100 buying office supplies with cash. Your office supplies expense goes up. So that account gets a debit. At the same time, your cash goes down. So your cash account gets a credit. See? Two accounts. One debit. One credit. Perfectly balanced. Here's another example. Say you send a customer an invoice for $500. You haven't been paid yet, but you've earned the income. Your accounts receivable, which is money owed to you, increases. That's a debit. And your revenue account also increases. That's a credit. Again, two accounts. Balanced. Here's an easy way to remember it. Think debt for debits. Debits increase expenses, assets, and drawings. And think credits increase everything else, like income, liabilities, and equity. With practice, this becomes second nature. Let's recap. Every transaction touches two accounts. One gets a debit. One gets a credit. Debits usually increase assets and expenses. Credits usually increase liabilities, equity, and revenue. This system keeps your books balanced and accurate. If you'd like practical bookkeeping templates and guides, download my free small business bookkeeping starter pack using the link in the description. If this video helped you understand debits and credits a little better, hit subscribe for more simple bookkeeping lessons. See you in the next video.